Now I'm going to show you how to operate the washing machine. Put the clothes in. You must not fill up too full. Then you close the cover. Pour in the detergent. Not too much. Pour it inside here, the center compartment. Close the cover. Make sure you have a click sound. Can you see the red light? This is stop. This, when the red light is here, you can open the cover and take out the wash clothes and hang it up. Now at this moment, we will turn it on. This is start. I press one time, you notice it's blinking. This is not washing. You have to press one more time. Then it'll stop blinking. Listen for the water and operate. When you start operating. Starting now. It's 30-minute cycle. So what you can do now, 30-minute cycle, what you can do now is set a timer in your watch or in your mobile phone for 30 minutes, and when the cycle stops, your alarm will sound, so you will not forget to turn off and dry your clothes. We'll wait for 30 minutes.